In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in VS Code for the web. We'll be working in the browser version of Visual Studio Code, which you can access by going to vscode.dev. Using profiles is a great way to keep different sets of settings, extensions, and layouts separate. For example, you might want one profile for work, another for personal projects, or even a dedicated profile just for a specific language or framework. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, focusing on exactly what you see on screen so you can follow along easily. Once you have vscode.dev open in your browser, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You should see a small gear icon, which is the entry point for your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear. This opens up a settings menu that gives you quick access to things like preferences, themes, and other configuration tools. Think of this area as your main control center for customizing how VS Code behaves. In that settings menu, look for the option labeled Profiles. It might appear alongside other items like settings, extensions, or themes depending on your layout. Click on Profiles. This will bring up the Profiles panel, where you can see your current profile and any others you've created in the past. Profiles essentially bundle your environment. They remember your settings, installed extensions, and in many cases your layout, so you can switch between different working setups without manually reconfiguring everything each time. Now that you're in the Profiles area, the next step is to create a new one. Look for a button or link that says New Profile. It's usually positioned near the top of the Profiles section, often accompanied by an icon like a plus sign. Click on New Profile. When you do this, VS Code will start the process of creating a fresh profile for you. At this point, you'll typically be given the option to name your profile and decide whether to start from a blank configuration or base it on your current setup. After you've clicked New Profile, you're ready to begin customizing it with the settings, themes, and extensions you prefer. And that's all there is to it. Click on Settings, open the Profile section, and create a new profile to suit the way you work.